Hello children, welcome back to my talks, and here I am again with English standard 11th. Okay, and today we are going to start with poetries. Okay, so the first poetry that is from Hornbill. Okay, we are going to start with a photograph, and the poet is Shirley Toulson. Now Sir Shirley Toulson, okay, talks about a photograph, an old photograph, okay, stuck in a postcard, in a cardboard, hard cardboard, okay, and gives the memory, you can say, a flashback of her mother. So this particular poetry deals with that. Let me tell you the summary. Okay, so the photograph pasted on the cardboard shows two girls, means the mother and two cousins, Betty and Dolly. Betty and Dolly, okay, who had gone for a holiday in the sea, okay, with the mother of the poetess, that is Shirley's mother. And each of them were holding the hands of the mother, the poet's mother, okay. And at that particular time, the poet's mother was a baby girl of somewhat about 12 years old, okay. And their uncle had a camera, and this photograph, okay, was clicked by the uncle. All three girls, the poet's mother, Betty and Dolly, all three of them, they stood facing the camera, okay, and with their hair flying and the smile on their faces, smiling at the camera, okay. And here the poet says that my mother's face was the sweetest one. She was very sweet, okay, and all the three faces were smiling, and they stood as if the sea over there, the water from the sea was washing off their feet, okay. The feet was washed by the sea water, and that was for a very short span of time. But now this the poet again says that the waters have not changed. It means the sea has not changed, okay. But the poet again hints, okay, that quite long time has passed, and my mother's face has changed, quite many things around have changed, but the sea, even that time it was the same, until now it is the same. And again in the next para says that quite a lot of time has passed, okay, about 20 to 30 years, and after 20, that the poet's mother was 12 years when the photograph was taken, and after 20 to 30 years, okay, whenever she would see this photograph, the poet's mother, whenever she saw the photograph, okay, she used to recollect those past days, okay, with her cousins, the time, the holiday spent with the cousins, and she would tell them that how they had dressed for the holiday on the beach, okay, and their dressing sense, the little dress, small frocks, whatever they wore, and the laughter. This particular photograph brought laughter, brought smile on her face, okay, and that was very real and pleasant. That is what the poet says, okay. And again says that it is a precious memory for her. So the particular photograph took her into the past and brought sweet memories to her. So both the holiday and laughter are ionic. This is what the poet says. Now why? Because both of them are linked with loss. Okay, the holiday is linked with the loss of the poet's mother, and laughter is related with the poet, because now at this particular time, okay, the poet's mother is no more. She is dead, okay, and even her death years are as many years past as the poet's mother was in the photograph, means about 12 years, okay. And the poet cannot express in words, okay, about the past, about the mother's death, okay. He doesn't have any words to express his feelings, and it is a solemn, very precious, very peaceful moment, and silence makes her silent, and the poetess pays tribute to her mother, and it is old photograph which moves her to silence, Okay, old photograph of a mother which makes her silent. So children, now photographs are meant for memories, isn't it? We take photographs, we put it in our albums, and that is to give us memories. When we grow old, we try and definitely the photographs taken during our childhood days brings smile to our faces. So this is what is a photograph by Shirley. This is the first poetry, children. Hope you would have understood. And again, I would tell you that put a big like and share it and subscribe. I know many of you have not subscribed. Do subscribe the channel, okay? And put your comment down in the comment box. Okay, and the question answers for English chapters, okay, the link I'll be putting down over here, so you can go and find out the link and write the answers to it. Thank you. Thank you.